What's up? Nick here, and today I'm going to be showing you this sweet guessing game that I made. There's still some CSS that I'm going to add to it, but don't mind that right now. But here is the file. Nick's Big Guess, yeah, so what? Anyway, let's wait for it to open up. Okay, so here's what you do. I am going to make the guesses. So it's too low. So there's 75. Still too low. Then I go to, well, let's do 88. Too low still. Let's go to 90. Too low. Let's try 100. Too high. 99. Too high. Let's go to 96. Still too high. How about 91? Too low. So then we go to 95. Sorry this is taking so long. I'm guessing it's 93. Too low. It's 94. The number was 94. You win. And then you could just, well, if I open this in Chrome, let me do that. Open with that crap. Google Chrome. Okay, so it opens up Nick's guessing game. Now, it'll work better because Safari doesn't really register with JavaScript very well. But anyway, here we go. I promise this one will be faster. Too low. 75. And this generates a random number. Too high. So 60. That's too low. So it's between 75 and 68. Let's try 71 is our, we're right there. So it's too high. That leaves me with 69 and 68. Wait, no, just 70. It's 70. Congrats, you gotta play again. Then it brings up this. And then you can just keep doing it and it'll keep repeating until you give up. And you don't want to play it anymore. So, what's going on here is that I titled this, so this variable and this sequence right here, wait, okay, sorry about that break. Anyway, as I was saying, I need to go to my preferences real quick. My secondary highlighter. Let's make that grayscale RGB now. I just want it to be neon green, like that, and then have less red in it, like that, kind of. We want to be able to see the other stuff. Yeah, that's good. Okay. What the fuck? Anyway. This right here is the, I'm doing this. So, this sequence right here, after the equal symbol in this line that's highlighted, math.floor, that starts the command, but this is between 100 and 1. Math.random means it's going to generate a random number. So this variable, it makes the text field for your guess, and then this makes the text field for your output, which is the, let me open up the file again, okay. So, we have the file open, and then we have this. So this is the output, what's highlighted on my other screen. So, well, let me go to my preferences again. Wait, no, wrong preferences. File. Oh yeah, this is preferences. The second color, I'm gonna make it entirely red. Well, kind of. We'll make it that deep magenta. Okay. Now we can continue with the video without any more interruptions until my mom gets home. Anywho, variable. These create everything, the guess.value that creates that text box. So on to the if statements and the else if statements. If. So this if statement is just a if this happens. So my number is less than the number. The number is this text field right here that I'm highlighting with the number in it. So output value, that's the command to make this display in the output text field. So then too low, try again. Here, I'll guess something that I know is too low. Too low, try again. So that output value, this is the output section, and then else if. Same thing pretty much. And this alert is a comment. I'm keeping it there for debugging if I need to. So then else if my number and the number. Same thing pretty much. It's my number is greater than the number. Else if is like if, except you can't use if twice. You can only use else if twice. So too high, try again, output value. I'll guess something that I know is too high to prove. Guess. Okay. Too high, try again. So you see what happened there. Now, if I take away those slashes, and then I save this, and I guess the same thing again. Wait, I have to reload the page now, refresh it. So now I have to guess something that I'll know would be too high, guess too high, try again. An alert makes a pop-up window, but we're not focusing on that right now. So I'm going to comment that back out and save it. Reload this page so that we're ready for the next demonstration if I needed. So else if equal to the number, equal my number and equal the number. So my number is generated because the variable name, it creates the random number. So my number, aka the random number, and the number, which is their number like I was saying earlier, it alerts all of this. So congrats, you gotta play again. That's just like this. That is that, pretty much. And then this alert right here, this makes that pop-up window that you saw when I win. And I do not want to comment that out because that's just for the winners. And then the number, same. This allows you to play again without having to refresh the page. This, as you can see, you just copy that and bring it down here. And if you want to copy my code, and anything that's like Nick's guessing game or enter a number from 1 to 100, those text fields you can change. So just change those. Don't do anything else to it unless you actually know how to program. And then also, check guess is our function to check your guess. And then this is the output, size 40, whatever. And then ID. So this is this. Whoops, this is this. This is the H2. And then when I come, I guess if